ran into a problem. I installed my master cylinder, I installed my clutch master cylinder, went to attach the lines to run the clutch line all the way down to the transmission, and I realized that it doesn't just bolt into the side of the transmission like I thought it did. It needs to go in through the belt housing and actually connect to the throwout bearing. So after all the work that you saw me just do of installing, I just now had to pull the intake back off, I had to pull my bracket back off, oh man, I had to pull everything. Sway bar back off. So rack and pinion off. At this point, I think what I'm going to attempt to do is try to lower the engine maybe about 3-4 inches, keep it in the exact same location. Then from underneath the car, back the transmission out, so that way I can attach my lines, reattach it, lift it back up, and continue from where I'm at. So yeah, I was stupid, didn't do it correctly, and paying for it. So let's get some more work done. Work I didn't think I had to do. All right, so far so good. Loosened up the under cradle, all the bolts, set it down, got it to sit flat on some wood where I've got like a nice square spot for it all to sit flat, and was able to unbolt the transmission and slide it right out. So next step will be putting in those lines to the throwout bearing and then doing everything back the opposite direction that I just did. Fun. Let's keep going. The hard work is done. We got our clutch cable ran up. Right now it's just kind of a general routing just to make sure I had enough line. I can tuck that away however I want. Engine's back in, front suspension back in. So at least we got ourselves back to where we were. Transmission's all bolted up. So let's continue, and hopefully we don't run into more issues like we just did and I have to do it all over again. see, guys, everything back together. It was a lot of hard work, got it all put back together, and just to feel like I didn't quite take too many steps backwards, I went ahead and installed the fuel pressure regulator, so at least it felt like, hey, I did something a little bit more towards the getting towards the end type of build. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys seeing me through, and what a mistake, but hey, we're back on track, so stay tuned for the next video. Thanks again.